everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Arpita Paul and I am back again with another new video. And in my today's tutorial, I will discuss categories of computer. Basically, as per the size, speed and the memory capacity, the computers are divided into different types. So in today's tutorial, I will discuss that. Okay, so let's move on to the description part. So first thing you need to know what is a computer or how the computer works. So in the definition you can see the computer performs any kind of work involving arithmetic and logical operations on data. So basically it will perform arithmetical, that means the numeric task, and the logical, that means the checking task on the data. So here it processes as per the instructions or inputs given and gives the informations as output. So basically the data will be given to the computer as input, and that data will be processed and the information will be produced as output. This is how the computer process works. So what are the categories of that computer? Let's move on to that part. So the first one is microcomputers. How it looks like, this is how it will look like. So microcomputers are also known as PCs or personal computers. So basically the personal computer or PC is also called microcomputer. And these are very powerful machines, and these are widely used in schools, homes, offices, banks, shops and hotels. So basically we use microcomputer for our daily work. Okay. Now, there are some examples. So, examples are C64, IBM PC. These are the popular example of microcomputer. Okay. Now, coming to the next one, that is mini computer. How it looks like, you can see the image here. Okay. So, they are bigger in size than the microcomputer. By seeing the image, you can understand microcomputers are smaller in size and mini computers are bigger in size than microcomputers. Now, next thing is several hundred users can use it at the same time. So, more than 100 user can log in to this machine and use it at the same time. Now, examples are VAX computer and PDP-8, etc. So, this is the example of PDP-8. You can see here PDP-8. Okay, PDP stands for Program Data Processor. Okay, PDP stands for Program Data Processor. This is the picture of PDP-8. Okay, now coming to the next one, that is mainframe computer. Okay, so what is mainframe computer? They are big computers with a large memory and high speed. So this is the image of the mainframe computers. So basically mainframe computers are big computers with a large memory and the high speed memory. Okay, they are very powerful computers and used by the big organization like bank and government offices. So this mainframe computer is basically used in the big organization like banks and government offices. And examples of this are PDP-10, IBM 390 and System Z10. Okay, so one more information you should know, that is mainframe computers were first developed by the company IBM. So IBM was the first company to develop the mainframe computer. Okay, so now coming to the next one. So the next one is supercomputers. Okay, so supercomputers are world's largest and the fastest computers. So this is the largest and the fastest computer present in the world. Okay, you can see the image here. So they can process huge amount of data within seconds as they are fastest, and they can store a huge data as they are largest also. That is why they can process huge amount of data within second also. Okay. Now, they are used in weather forecasting, defense, space research, etc. These are the applications of these supercomputers. Examples are Cray, Param, Anurag and Titan. These are the popular examples. Okay, you can see this is the image of Titan here. Okay, now the Param and Anurag supercomputer have been developed in India. This is one of the important information you should know. These two supercomputers, Param and Anurag, was developed in India only. Okay, now move on to the next one. So the next computer is mobile computers. These are very popular. You and I and most of the people are using these computers. So what are these? They are the smallest computers carried by the users very easily. Okay, you can see the image, the mobile phones we are using, that is called mobile computer. The tablets we are using are also belongs to this one, mobile computer. So tablets and smartphones are the most commonly used mobile computers. Okay, so already you are using this, I am using this, and worldwide all the people, maximum people are using this mobile computer. Okay, tablets are quite thin and flat device which will be held in hand easily. So in case of mobile computers, mobile means carryable. The tablets or the smartphones, all the mobile computers are carryable and we can easily held it in our hand and then we can carry it anywhere. So these are easy to use. Okay, now coming to the next one. So the next category of the computer is game console. Okay, this is one of the popular one and many of the students like to play games. So game console is for that. So what is the purpose of this game console? You can see gaming is so popular that machines have been developed that are dedicated to playing computer games. They are called consoles. Okay, so PlayStations, okay, PS3, PS4, PS5, these are the game consoles. Game consoles are dedicated for playing games only. Nothing can be done here. Okay, in game console, it is a different form of standard computer as it does not include a keyboard, mouse or monitor. Instead, they come with their own dedicated input device. So basically in case of game console, there are no keyboard, mouse or any other CPU or monitor. It comes with a inbuilt dedicated input device. Okay, and what are the examples? You can see some examples are Sony PlayStation and Microsoft Xbox, etc. So this is the example, this is the image of Microsoft Xbox and this is the image of Sony PlayStation. Okay, so you can easily buy it and you can use it for playing games. Okay, so now moving on to the next category, that is embedded computer. This is also one of the popular and mostly used computer. And what is the purpose of this? See, it is a small computer fixed inside a machine to perform a specific task. So basically this embedded computers are small computers or small techniques or technologies which are already inbuilt in a machine. Okay, this we cannot use separately. This is included within a machine. Now see, it is designed to perform a particular task rather than be a general purpose computer for multitasking. Like whenever we are using the desktop or personal computer, that is used for multitasking, but here embedded computers are used for a specific task. Okay, it controls the whole machine. So uh, whenever we are using the embedded computer, it controls the whole machine. Okay, now it does not look like a desktop computer but contains all the elements that are essential for any computer, that is input, output, CPU, RAM and ROM. So basically this input, output, CPU, RAM and ROM, all of these are very important for processing a data, inputting it and producing the output. Okay, so the embedded computers, they don't look like normal personal computers like desktop or laptops or any mobile phone or other devices, but it has all of these essential computer parts. So let's move on to the first category, and that is glucometer. So what is glucometer and what is the purpose of that? You can see in the image, this is the picture of glucometer. It helps in recording the blood glucose level at home for those who are diabetic. So for diabetes patients, this records the glucose level in the blood. Okay, this you can check at home using this machine. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, that is Kindle. Okay, this is one of the popular one. It is used to read books, magazines and newspapers. You can buy and download electronic books on to the device and read. This is how the Kindle looks like. This is similar like tab Okay, this looks like tab, but the name of this device is Kindle, and purpose of this device is only to read newspaper or read magazines or read book. Okay, this is different from a tab. In case of tab, we can perform a lot of tasks there, but in case of Kindle, we can only read books, magazine, newspapers there. Okay, now coming to the next one, that is GPS receiver. This is also one of the important device. It is a pocket sized device. You can see this is how it looks like, that helps in getting the details of the location where you are, and also provides the direction to other location. GPS receiver, purpose of this GPS receiver is to get your current location and guide you how you can move from one place to another place. The direction is provided by the GPS receiver. So these are the popular categories and basic categories of the computer. I hope you have understood, and now you can tell anyone about the categories. Okay, so thank you everyone, and until then stay tuned, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.